Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix missing Buy It Now button on Shopify product pages. So this issue can happen due to theme settings, product availability or even custom code. Let's go step by step to bring it back. First, let's check if the dynamic checkout buttons which include Buy It Now are enabled. Navigate to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store under Sales Channels, navigate to Themes, then find your active theme and click Customize. Now, select product pages from the top menu here. So we'll click here and choose products. Now choose default product and click on the product information section under here. So this is product information section. Now look for the Buy It Now button. So click on Buy buttons and you can see there is an enabler here. Dynamic checkout buttons. Just turn this button on. Make sure it is not toggled off. If you toggle it off, you will see that Buy It Now will disappear. Just toggle this button on and click Save button at the top right, then exit, and that would instantly fix your problem. Now, sometimes missing buttons are due to product settings. Let's make sure the product is available for purchase. Go to Shopify admin, then navigate to products and click on the product that's missing the button. Now, under products status, make sure it is set as active, not draft. So make sure under status it is set at active. Now, scroll down to sales channels and ensure it's available on online store. So you can see sales channel here, click on three-dotted icon, click on manage sales channels and make sure this online store is selected and click on done. If you're using inventory tracking, ensure that stock is available by going to inventory and make sure this is not 0 under available. It is greater than 0. Click save, check your store. If your product is available, the buy button will be instantly shown there. Now, if your buy button is still missing, some third-party apps, especially upsell or custom checkout apps, can remove the Buy It Now button. Let's test if that's the issue. Navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to apps, then click on apps and sales channels and temporarily disable any checkout related apps. Click on three-dotted icon at the top right, click on uninstall and choose uninstall again. Now after disabling any checkout related apps, clear your browser cache and check your product page. If the button reappears, the issue was caused by an app. Contact the app developer for support or uninstall that app completely. Now, if nothing works, test if the issue is theme related. Go to Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes. Now scroll down and choose another theme for your Shopify product. After you add another theme, just click on the preview icon and preview your store, and if the Buy It Now button appears again after changing your theme, then the issue was with the theme, not with anything else or the product. So make sure you change the theme and that would fix your problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have your Buy It Now button back on your Shopify product pages. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify fixes. See you in the next one.